Hi, this is Ray from Shore Station, Antarctica. Today, May 2nd, 2021. It's 8 a.m. It's still dark. This time, I'd like to talk about how cold Antarctica is. Many people might think that Antarctica is very cold. It is true, but not always true. I'd like to explain why. Here I show temperature data from the ground to 25 kilometers in altitude. I picked up 3 stations for Tateno near Tokyo, Marcus somewhere in the Pacific Ocean around here, and Showa is in Antarctica. All of them I have stayed in and did some observation. And I picked up recent data for April 20, 2021. So let's take a look at data for Showa Station first. So Showa is cold, around minus 20 degrees at the surface, much colder than these other 2 stations. And when you go up, temperature goes down like this. And the minimum temperature up to 25 kilometers is about minus 60 degrees Celsius. So let's take a look at Tateno, which is near Tokyo. It's in spring now in Japan. So temperature is about maybe 15 degrees Celsius, and when you go up, temperature goes down. And around here, temperature go up once and goes down again. And minimum temperature is about minus 60 or minus 50 something. Almost the same as Showa. Next, Marcus Island, near the equator. Marcus is very, very warm, like this. On the surface, it's about 20 degrees Celsius. When you go up, temperature goes down. And goes down, and it goes around minus 80 degrees. Minus 80 degrees is much colder than Antarctica now. So, Marcus Island, which is near equator, is colder in the upper air. It is because the height of troposphere is different. We live in a troposphere, and above we have stratosphere, where a lot of ozone exists. In troposphere, temperature goes down when we go up, and the height of troposphere at the pole, like Showa in Antarctica, we have shorter troposphere. But when we go near the equator, we have higher troposphere. So, near the equator, the surface temperature is higher, but when we go up in the air, temperature goes down and become colder than in pole. So, this is why Marcus Island have lower temperature up in the air. But let's take a look at winter data in Antarctica. This is the data for July 27, 2020, just for example. July is summer in Japan, so these 2 stations are almost the same. Minimum temperature is about minus 70 degrees in Celsius. But for Showa Station, it's much colder. Minimum temperature is about minus 85 degrees in Celsius. And when we go up in the air, temperature goes down. And in the stratosphere, temperature is very, very low, much lower than other stations. It is because in the polar night from June to July, there is no sunlight, and atmosphere is not heated at all. So temperature goes down, keeps going down, and becomes like this. This is the effect of polar night. These are what I wanted to explain. So this time I have talked about how cold the Antarctica is. In many cases, near the equator is colder than Antarctica in the upper air. But after the polar night, we have so cold temperature in the upper air in Antarctica. I hope you understood and got interested in our observations. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.